Hey, how's it going, y'all? Quick update. I fixed my AR pistol, and the problem was the feed ramp. And I think I already put a video out there. It's just a quick update. I actually went out and shot it, and it ran flawlessly. So that was obviously the issue. There was something inside the barrel extension that didn't allow my rounds to actually fully chamber. It was scoring the brass and the actual bullet itself. So after some polishing on it, you'll see it on a previous video. Um, I did get a chance to go out and shoot it, and it ran great. So my next issue is that the ejector. I've been doing some research, and I think the ejector itself inside, there's a spring, and a lot of them have washers. The washer creates a lot of extra pressure. You'll get a lot of extra brass and some fouling and some stuff going on, and it's supposed to work really well without it. So I'm going to stop the video here real quick, and I'm going to go over exactly how to take this apart and see if it works. Stand by. All right, guys. Hopefully the lighting's good enough. So I'm just going to run over this really quick. I took it apart really quick to make sure that it did have an O-ring, or if it didn't have an O-ring, and it does. So if you guys are having extracting problems, your bolt carrier group is running really rough. It's kind of sticking in there. You find a lot of fouling inside of uh, your barrel extension, or that you see a lot of brass coming off of your casing, maybe from like where the primer is at the very base of the round itself. This could be a problem. So I'm going to go over really quick on how to disassemble this, put it back together, and I'll have to do a separate video later on to see exactly if this thing runs or not. So, bolt carrier group, first thing you're going to want to do, you have a cotter pin. It's right here. You take anything. I'm just using a pair of scissors that I have. You pull that out, take out the firing pin, super easy. Okay. Then you have this cam pin. Okay, you run that instead of the way it usually goes. You just run it the skinny way here. Take and pull that right out. Okay, then your bolt comes apart. So you have a small pin that's held under pressure from your extractor itself. All right, so all you have to do is put a little bit of pressure down on the extractor. Take and push this pin out. Comes right out. Don't lose that shit. You will have a bad day. The extractor itself comes out, and you can see, if I had some more light in here, that would be wonderful. But I don't know if you guys can see it or not. But you can see quite a bit of brass fouling inside. So that's a problem. Okay. This is the little O-ring I was talking about. They say that that causes some extra pressure in this thing. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove it, keep it, of course, and it has a spring. Okay. Make sure the spring stays there. Just going to go ahead and wipe this out really quick. Wasn't too bad, but not good. Okay. I'll do a good cleaning on it later. I wipe most of it out. I'll get a brush and some cleaner. Under the extractor, it was good. So again, just reverse the order. Put the extractor back in. Get your pin. Apply some pressure. Make sure it sits flush on both sides. And that is it. So all you have to do is reverse the order. Install your cam pin. I'm going to take it all apart here and again after the video. And oh shoot, I'm tripping. I'm sorry. Firing pin. Doing things on camera is crazy. Okay. Make sure you push the firing pin all the way down. Pull your bolt back. Take and put your cotter pin back in. And that is it. So hopefully this fixes the problem, and I'll give you guys an update when I go out and shoot it. But this little O-ring seems to be a lot of the times a culprit, and it adds just way too much pressure. Maybe after your spring loosens up, it'll be a little different, but then you can go ahead and reinstall it. So definitely save it. Sorry for the crappy video, but that's what we got to work with for now. So stand by and I'll give you guys an update.